tayo ng ating pintura dito sa ating container. So unahin natin ilagay is yung 200 ml na water. Ito po yung water based paint po na gagamitin natin. There, 200 ml na po yun. So isasalin ulit natin dito yan para makita nyo kung paano tayo magsukat ng ating pintura gamit po ang ating water based paint. There. So balik natin po sa dati. So 200 ml po ito. So tignan nyo po, ito po yung Summit water container na iniinom. There. So ang 200 ml na isang gang po dun ang 200 ml. So next natin ilalagay itong ating water based paint na Rain or Shine. So 600 ml po tayo na paint. So isalin na po natin. Yan lang po. Hanggang sa abutin niya po yung 600 na yan. Yan po. Yan po yung ating 600 ml na water based paint. So isasalin uli natin itong ating 200 ml para maging 800 ml. Yan lang po yan guys. Yan. Then after yan po ang ating, ganyan po magtimpla ng ating water based paint para ipintura natin sa ating cement wall. So it's about time na magpinta. So hahaluin na lang po natin yan guys. That's it muna for ating first coat. So bali first coat natin yan, and then 4 laps to 8 laps. So patutuyuin natin yan ng konti kasi medyo mahirap matuyo dito sa loob ng kwarto. Then bago natin siya babanatan dito sa baba, tatapusin ko muna guys dito sa mga taas, this wall. Okay, let's have a break.
5 minutes later.
guys, yan na po ang ating napinturahan na fresh mint ng Rain or Shine. Yun po yung color code name niya. So na final na natin yan. Dito na lang sa side ang hindi natin na final. So ganyan po yung outcome niya. Tapos ganun din po talaga ang ratio ng water based paint. 600 ml na ganyan color paint, 200 ml na tubig. Tapos ihalo nyo lang yung ihalo para lumabas yung kanyang pagkalabnaw. So yan po guys, is ganyan na po yung design yan. And then here we will final paint na natin ito. Final paint na natin dito guys. Yan. So kung inyong mapapansin guys, magkaiba talaga yung kulay niya. Yan po yung kulay ng fresh mint. Ito naman po yung kulay ng cold mint ng Rain or Shine. So 500 pesos plus lang po yung 4 liter ng pinturang mga yan. So no further explanation mga kadondon. Let's final paint this wall. Let's get started.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.